Alright, so I'm going to go through dealing with this symmetrical group. Keep getting confused. Alright, so the idea was to make it so that when you do, when you are in interleave and are doing groups of anything above 1, it will look actually symmetrical, so that when you're looking at the center fixtures, they will be paired up and the beams are crossing cleanly in the air. So the process of building the group to make this. So first off, sorry, I'm getting ahead of myself. In the engine file, there is the setting group interleave symmetry, and that is the group number that will be used for this exact purpose. So anytime it, again, sees symmetries turned on, which this button no longer exists, I'm using a slightly older version of the engine, it's fine, it will work just fine. Point of showing you the symmetrical builder. So let me kill this effect. And so just to show you, so if we grab, right now this file just had a whole bunch of pointies in it. If I grab these, let's go and kill the intensity, go into highlight mode, you can see, as you would expect, that when I go into Wings of 2 and next my way through this, that obviously we are not looking at symmetrical options here. So what we do, we clear out. Where the hell? No, I don't have my keyboard right now. Okay, so we'll run this plugin. Basically, we'll start with our group that is all of our left to right stuff, which is what I've made this group to be. And to clarify, I keep getting ahead of myself, each of these groups is a symmetrical selection itself. So this is a symmetrical selection, it's just this row left to right. This is a symmetrical selection, same thing left to right, and so on and so forth down the list. If you watch the video for the plugin itself, it'll have a little bit better of a example for it. But these are the groups we're using for our symmetry reference. This is the group we're correcting. So we're going to start the plugin. It's going to ask for the symmetry reference group, so that's all of 10 through 15 for us. So 10 through 15. Okay. Then the group we're making symmetrical is number 34. And again, this is just in fixture order number right now. And we're going to store it at 37. Cool. And now, if I grab this group and I go into Wings, as I next through it, you will see that we have a consistently symmetrical selection of fixtures. So you can use that to build the symmetrical interleave group. If you don't have so you're going to have to build all the symmetrical groups. As far as building your just fixture order in number to start from, if all your groups have specific selection orders already, what you can do is just grab any of your, like for example, this is a big left to right symmetrical group. If you give it invert and then invert again, it will reset all your fixtures to the order they are in the patch, which is not exactly the same as fixture order number depending on how your patch is organized. But that's a quick way to get it back into fixture order number to then build this group if your groups are set up weird. So I think I've over-explained, but hopefully that's a good thing. And here you go.